I'm not sure if I have the camera lined up properly or not, but you guys saw what just happened in front of me. Basically, a river float complete with a musical ensemble. I thought it was quite amazing. I thought that the great blue herons enjoyed it. They seemed to anyway, in an odd way. Um, it's like me. At first, I had this want to display hostility, and then I saw that some people were having fun. Um, it's kind of like the people that are playing Bluetooth speakers while they're walking through nature in places like this. The thing is, from my perspective, someone who's doing that may never see the great blue herons, the pair that's been nesting up here, or not nesting, I shouldn't say nesting, but resting. It's been resting up here since about 11:30 in the afternoon. This is the same two blue herons that I saw this morning, one that I stirred up and early on, and the other one which flew up the bank later to join its mate. And both of them are hunting this area, and I've seen one fish jump in the middle of this confluence or divergence of the stream, and I've seen it jump twice now. And yesterday I'd imagined that I'd seen something swimming on the surface. So as it turns out, I don't think I was wrong. But what I am also wanting to tell you is that earlier today I also saw it was a great distance, so forgive me for not knowing. It was either a bald eagle or an osprey. It had a white tail and a white head, and it was flying up into the tree in front of me at an angle where I saw only its back. In my mind, I can only picture an eagle as having all white tail feathers and an all white head from overhead, but I don't know what an osprey looks like. Either way, I saw an osprey this morning. It didn't really put on a whole lot of a demonstration as far as fishing this river, and the herons are just hanging out in these trees. So I'll report back when they start to do something, but this is the view. And as you can see, I just had a whole river raft parade pass by me as wildlife appears to be struggling for its very persistence. So here we are celebrating and taking a holiday, so to speak, and we're kind of sometimes missing the boat. Anyway, I hope these birds get something to eat pretty soon. If you can't tell, I'm basically showcasing you some of what I think are some of the bleaker days of our heritage. So it's just something to think about.